Today video I'm gonna be telling you what to do as a man to make your woman to be satisfied. Yes, because these days I don't know what is going on. Men are just is about themselves. They don't care about women feelings, whether the woman is okay or is not okay. When making love with them, they will just do and go away without knowing whether we are okay, whether we are satisfied. So if today is your first day of you coming across in this my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you. So I'm gonna be telling you what to do as a man to satisfy your woman. Very important. Don't do anyhow and go away. These things might make your woman to go outside and cheat, but you will not know the reason why she do that. You might think that she feel like to cheat on you, or she doesn't love you again. No, don't say that. Today I'm going to be telling you what to do that will save your relationship, that will save your marriage, that will save your woman not to be going outside and cheat on you. So pay very attention in this video. Watch this video to the end. Number one step to do to put your woman in the mood of coming. First of all, know the right spot to touch. Don't just go straight to making love. It's very wrong. Yes. As a man, you have to know what your woman likes and dislike during making love. Not just go into her because she's your wife, because she's your girlfriend. It's very wrong. Don't do that. Ask her first, where is your spot? Spot means where to touch that will activate her feelings. Because without her feelings, she will not be able to enjoy whatever you want to do with her. So without you putting her through that feelings, she will not be able to enjoy anything that you want to do with her. So first of all, know the right spot to touch that will make her to be in the mood of making love. It might be kissing, it might be sucking of breast. Yes. Then number two, what to do that will make your woman to come and that will make her to be in the mood. Touching. When you know the right spot to touch, when you know a spot, you be concentrate in that spot. Make sure that you concentrate in that particular spot that will make her to feel, that will make her to be in the mood. Don't go to another place. Concentrate in that particular spot that will make her to be in the mood, that will make her to feel activated. Do you understand me? Then number three, what to do that will make her to be in the mood and feel activated. Number three is licking. Some people don't know how to lick or how to suck. These things are very important in relationship. When your woman is healthy, everything about her is healthy. What I mean is healthy, she's clean. So that don't make her to feel that, don't make her to feel bad or that she's not need. Because it's only person that is not need that you cannot go down. So as your woman is need, make sure that you go down, suck her very well. that word will make her to come very fast. Yes. Not just for you to suck her. Know how to use your mouth. Know how to use your mouth. I'm not saying your whole mouth. Don't open your mouth. I mean your tongue. Use your tongue, please. Use your tongue on your woman, under your woman. I can assure you that if you be able to do this with your woman, she will never go outside. But if you don't do this, if she can manage to get someone that can do this to her, give her this particular one now, my dear, before you will have that woman back, it will take time for you to have that woman back. So, as a man, know how to go under your woman. Use your tongue. It's very important. It's very nice. It's very good. It's very healthy. Use your tongue under your woman. You see that cap? Use your tongue on the cap. Concentrate. Only that one alone can make your woman to come. If you concentrate in that cap, it will make your woman to come. Trust me, believe me. Concentrate in that cap alone, like 15 minutes. Concentrate. Even she will beg you to come on top. When she started to ask you to come on top, don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Stay where you are. Concentrate on the cap. Use your tongue very well on the cap. That is how she will come very easily, without you putting more stress, without you putting more effort, without you putting more energy. Because you might say that it's about because you did not put more energy, because you do not spend much time, that is the reason why she did not come. No, you might you might put more energy. You might do it from now till 1 hour, she will not come. Woman is very hard to come. Yes, it's very hard. We are not like you guys. Women own is different from men. But if you are if you be able to use your tongue very well, your woman will come in the next 15 minutes. On the cap, just concentrate on the cap, your woman will come. It's not about putting your strength. It's not about doing the work hours, or you go and take something. No, use your tongue, your woman will come. Use your tongue, concentrate on the cap, she will come. And when she come, she will feel so relaxed. When she come, she will feel so okay. When she come, she will do things that she has not done before, ever